My name is Roos van der Beek and I'm studying International Hotel Management at Breda University of Applied Sciences. I'm currently doing my internship at Hilton Supply Management, where I help the whole team with the procurement functions they do. So we have 60 properties, 10 Hilton properties and 50 other properties, and we help them with all the buyers they have to get the right products at the right property. So my journey to get to this internship, I was already part of the Hilton Class since the start of my studies, and afterwards I did an internship at Hilton Sydney, where I found out that I really liked the analytical part of this. So I was searching for something that could combine those analytical skills and still have the touch with people, and I found that opportunity within Hilton Supply Management. So the Hilton class is a class that consists of 10 to 15 members each year, and it's actually about filling the gap between the practical side of the studies and then combined with all the theory. And the theory is given by Hilton, but they also provide you with internships. You'll visit the Hiltons, see how they work, and they will give you guest lectures. So yeah, that's about it. The best thing I think I picked up here is, I really like working in the projects, and then you really get from A to Z. You will see the whole process on how the procurement works. After my study, I would really like to do a master. I think I would like to do International Business Master. And afterwards, I would like to go back to Hilton and then maybe do the elevator track, in which they will lead you towards becoming a hotel manager.